Now let's demonstrate how to replace the battery. To replace the battery, what we need to prepare is a triangle plate. Then a small screwdriver. A new XC209 battery that we are going to replace. First of all, we are going to put this necklace device. Use a triangle plate. Press it at the top. Then button it and open it. After opening it, the upper lid will open. After opening, there is a screw inside. Use the screwdriver. Loosen this screw. Okay, after releasing, the battery will jump out. Okay, then let's put a new battery. Please face up. Face up. Put it in and put it directly in this place. Then hold it up. After withholding it, then use a screwdriver. Then fasten the screw. Okay, it's tied up like this. After tied up, this upper cover, you can see that there is a red dot on it. The red dot is going to the red dot at bottom. We need to meet up, then cover it up. Just cover it up, already covered. We can do some test. Go to the back pendant device. Press the center area. Check if there is flash on LED light. Like this. The LED light is flashing, so it means that we have successfully replaced it. Thank you for watching.